Hello everybody, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to another vlog and welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you so much for all the support that I've been getting from you guys on my YouTube and most importantly on my Instagram, which I did not expect, to be honest. Um, yeah, so I do have a big announcement to make. मुझे बिल्कुल समझ में नहीं आया था how to actually make this announcement. So मैंने कहा कि थोड़ा थोड़ा करके बताते हैं. So yeah, I bought my first house in the Netherlands. It feels quite huge. It took me more than a year to find, the space that, that fits with everything that we wanted, or we didn't want to settle for something that, हमारे जो हमें पसंद ना हो, and where we have to compromise. So luckily, alhamdulillah, किसी भी चीज़ पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं करना पड़ा, and we got the house of our dreams. Alhamdulillah, mashallah. Yeah, so it's also a good thing that I wanted to show you guys how I'm setting up the house. So we already got some stuff, but we're obviously gonna have a lot more coming. I think it is normally a very stressful process of filling up the house with the things that you love, and which also gives you a homely vibe. So it's gonna take a while, but I'm gonna take you guys through this journey. I'm gonna tell you where I'm buying most of the stuff, and for starters, what I'm gonna be getting. So yeah, so today's video is gonna be about buying essential stuffs for the house. Abhi hum move in karne lage hain. So we don't have a lot of time to buy a lot of बहुत ज़्यादा सामान एक साथ खरीदें and wait until we move in सारी चीज़ें आने का. So the plan is to start with the essentials, and then we're gonna move our way up to the bigger things. तो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता सब कुछ लेते हैं. And this is a very close journey to my heart. It's a very special news that I wanted to share with everybody, and I think the whole process is going to be really close to my heart as well. So I wanted to involve everybody, and I also wanted, because I know how big of a struggle this is to especially get the house in Netherlands, and then also then for everybody to have the house set up and get things for the house. So I was like, I'm starting this journey, and if I share it online and people can take it as a reference, it would be a good thing. मुझे अच्छा लगेगा अगर किसी को help मिलती है इससे. So yeah, so I'm gonna be taking you guys along. I'm gonna go to IKEA today to get the basic stuff, just the essential ones. And I'll tell you all the details, inshallah. Yeah, so हम IKEA आ गए हैं, और yeah, we have started buying some things, और मैं आपको दिखाती जाऊंगी कि मैं क्या क्या ले रही हूँ. साथ साथ अगर नहीं दिखा सकी तो मैं एक साथ बाद में दिखा दूंगी, but I'll keep you guys posted with the home stuff that I'm getting. It will be literally everything from the scratch, लेकिन सब कुछ शायद ना ले सकूँ आज. So yeah guys, so far हमारी cart looks like this. एक तो मुझे बैक कैमरा करना नहीं आता, which is a problem, so I'm gonna make another clip to show the cart. So this is how the cart looks like. Spoons, plates, some bowls, some dabbas, mugs, glasses, drying mats, some essentials. I really like this kettle. I don't know सब क्या रखा है, but काफ़ी कुछ किया है. So basically, but I think it's not. So I think it's not even half. So अभी चल रही है और shopping. I will keep you guys posted. I really like these. Wow. I think I can swap these with the transparent one that I got. ऑलराइट गाइस, तो किचन की शॉपिंग हो गई है. अब हम लोग बेडरूम की थोड़ी बहुत चीज़ें लेने जा रहे हैं, सिर्फ बेसिक वाली, जैसे दुए, पिलोज़, दुए कवर्स, इस तरह की चीज़ें. लेट मी शो यू गाइस कि हाउ द कार्ट लुक्स लाइक राइट नाउ. इट्स प्रीटी फुल, बट लेनी तो और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. इतने सारे ऑप्शंस हैं कि लिटरली कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि क्या लेना है. I've never been this confused in my life. Only to buy a comforter or duvet. तो अब कार्ट बिल्कुल एक्स्ट्रा फुल हो चुकी है, तो हमने डिसाइड किया है कि अभी के लिए इतना ही काफ़ी है, क्योंकि बिल्कुल जगह नहीं बची. आई विल शो यू गाइस कि हमने कंप्लीट क्या चीज़ें ली हैं चेकआउट करते हुए, क्योंकि ये घर की चीज़ें निकालेंगे. बट आई एम प्रीटी सेटिस्फाइड विद द शॉपिंग अप टिल नाउ. एक आध चीज़ हमें वेयर हाउस से भी लेनी है, और वेयर हाउस इस तरह का दिखता है. तो अगर आपका आइटम आउट ऑफ स्टॉक होता है तो वो आपको वेयर हाउस पे गाइड कर देते हैं, एंड देन यू हैव टू जस्ट गेट द स्टफ फ्रॉम देयर. तो हमने ये उठाना था जिसके लिए हमारी कार्ट में जगह नहीं है. ये मेरी अम्मा है और ये हमारी कार्ट है, जिसको अब हम लेके जा रहे हैं चेकआउट पे. और मैं फिर आपको सारी चीज़ें दिखाऊंगी कि हमने क्या क्या लिया है डिटेल में. These are the plates, bowls, and the other kind of plates. ये glasses का set था, which I'll show you guys, and then ये bowls थे. These mugs, this kettle with this whatever we call this. These gloves, which are really good. तो अब मैंने कुछ चीज़ें use भी कर ली हैं. This water bottle, which is also pretty good. This soaking mat, ये भी बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहा है. The bins that I got, मैंने अभी ये छोटे से bins लिए हैं. So this, and then the other one, the bin bag is too big, so sorry. Then I also got these spoons, forks, knives, these big knives, small ones, this cutting board, this weighing scale, क्योंकि हम अपना खाना पागलों की तरह वेकर करके खाते हैं. Some mixing bowls, very very important. Really nice bed sheets. ये एक है और ये दूसरी है. Looks like this. Then this laundry basket and this drying rag or something. कपड़े धोने के बाद जिस पे आप कपड़े सुखाते हो. So I haven't tried this one. Very minimal bathroom accessories. I don't think this is it yet. I don't know what to put in the bathroom yet. क्या अच्छा लगेगा, so I'm gonna figure that out. These really nice peppers. Microwave topper. My most favorite thing, these spice jars of different sizes, and I love it. I need to get labels for these, लेकिन so far it's very good. तो ज़्यादा आ गए थे, so you know I've got some extras as well. Then we have these cute little salt and pepper ones. बहुत अच्छे लगे मुझे ये. They're very easy to use. So I think that was it for the IKEA vlog, and I hope everything is clear. I'm sure मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो लेके आई हूँ उसमें से भूल रही हूँ. एक बड़ी सी वीडियो बनाई थी while I was billing everything, और मुझे लगा वो वीडियो बनी है, लेकिन वो वीडियो नहीं बनी apparently. I just found out, तो इसलिए मैंने जल्दी से आप लोगों के लिए the stuff that I remember मैंने जल्दी से उसकी वीडियो बना ली है, so I can upload this one. And then yeah, if you guys want any more details, I will be putting a lot more stuff in the house, and you know it's a proper move-in situation, so मुझे हर चीज़ लेनी है. So I'll keep you guys updated. Until then, take care. Love is.